Hi you guys, my name is Sherry and I am back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be sharing this unboxing of an item that I picked up from Fashionphile. I am really excited about this purchase. This has been on my wish list for years, at least 4 or 5 years. I have wanted to get this bag and I just kept delaying pushing the button on buying it, because I wanted to find like the right condition, the right price. I needed all the stars to line up before I bought this bag, and I saw one on Fashionphile before that was a really good price. It had gone on sale, and again I hesitated to push the button to buy it and I lost it. And I have lost so many of these for that same very reason. Let me go ahead and open this because I don't want to delay this unboxing, because I am super excited about this box. Got my scissors here. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and skip right to it. There we are. From Fashionphile. So exciting. Alright. So it has the thank you for purchasing a nail file, the receipt, the little pink and green or pink and gray papers, and a calendar, which I don't have for 2022. So I will be hanging this up in my office. Get this out and move this box. Okay. There she is. Pretty big bag. Any guesses on what this is? No one's gonna guess what this is. I've never actually shared that I've wanted this particular bag. Or if I have, I don't remember. Alright, there she is. I'm glad it comes with a dust bag. There are some on the aftermarket that do come with dust bags. And I found a couple again. I kept losing out on them because I just didn't pull the trigger. There we are. Look at her. This is the Louis Vuitton Deauville monogram. I think that's what it's called, just the Deauville. This is like a cosmetic case, a large travel bag, makeup bag. A lot of people refer to it as different things. I bought this because I was using my Alma PM as a travel bag. When I stopped using it as a purse, I was using that to carry items in, and it's worked out just fine. But I noticed that my little travel bags like these right here that I have here, they don't really fit in that purse, so I have to use them without these and just kind of put them in that bag. And the inside of that bag is canvas, and I really like using my little toiletry items from Louis Vuitton. So I wanted to get something that was more conducive to me carrying my toiletry items in here. And so here she is. This was listed as very good condition. This is a 2003 bag. The patina is perfect. Obviously, no, this is listed as a 2002 bag. Sorry, 2002. The patina is right on the money. And I was looking for one in this year. I think a lot of them you will see in that 1995 to like 2004 when you're going for these here bags. But I specifically wanted this year because I wanted to get it close to another item that I have. I wanted them to be made fairly close together within a year or two of each other. She's stuffed. They stuffed her very nicely with these little air papers. I like these air papers. The bag is very clean, does not have a smell. And I started to buy this off of eBay, but I was reluctant to, because I know that when you buy off of eBay, you can get bags that will have like a smell that's really hard to get out of the bag. I have actually done that where I purchased an item where it had that smell, and actually in my toiletry bags, and I was able to get the smell out of 2 of my items. Only 2 came with that like old mildewy storage type of smell, and I was able to get that smell out of those items, and I will do a video on how I did that a little bit later. So, but here she is, really good condition. I'm looking at the hardware. The one thing I do notice is that when I feel the vachetta is very dry, it's brittle. I can see that from the handles, it's already starting to crack. That's to be expected from the year of this bag and how long this bag has been around the world or just been in rotation in someone's collection. There's no telling how many people have owned this bag, but I can tell it's been used quite a bit. The hardware here, I can see this now has some distress to it, and I don't know exactly how long this will hold up and last. Maybe another year, it might break, but I know eventually I will have to get this replaced in terms of the vachetta or these little patches here. I'll have to get this reinforced or replaced by Louis Vuitton, which is okay. I'm hoping that I can at least get a year or 2 out of it before I have to do that. And I know once I get this replaced, it'll cost me about $500, $600 just to get this replaced, which will kind of be like a new bag. So I was looking at getting one that was a little bit newer, but those they charge you about $1,300 just for the bag itself, and I wanted one specifically in this year. So again, here she is. The Deauville comes with these 2 pockets here in the back to put items in. And then there are 2 pockets on this side to put items in as well. A lot of space. Some people do carry this as a purse. This right here is too large for me to carry as a purse. Some of them do come with keys and with luggage tags. Again, I have my Alma PM. I already have a luggage tag on there, but I've had this extra luggage tag for like 5-6 years that I have done nothing with, and it's just been kind of sitting here. And so I knew I didn't have to get one with a luggage tag, so I figured I could always put this on this bag. So I finally have something to do. I started to sell this. I was thinking about painting it. It's just so many things, but literally this has been laying around just doing absolutely nothing for me. But I knew that I wanted to buy this bag and what I was going to do with it. So I kept it and I just held on to it until I finally found one. And look at that, you guys. This is like a perfect match. Just, it's seamless. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I'll show you that. It's on a little backwards, but let me see if I can switch that. So guys, when I talk about the right shape, right size, right condition for the bag, I'm talking about the patina, but actually the shape, because what I didn't want to have to do was get one of those bags where they are just completely smashed in or sunk in and I have to work to reshape the bag. So the current shape as is was very important to me, and as you can see, this has a really good shape to the bag. As you can see, just with its stuff, it is stuffed, and so the bag is holding up really nicely. And while it does have these indentations here, this is to be expected because of how the bag is made. If you can manage to get something in there to stuff it, to keep its shape, that would be ideal. So I'll have to figure out some way to stuff it so that it takes on more of that shape, and just figure out something to do. But overall, this is really good. This can be worked with, so, for the shape and condition that it's in. You can see, and this probably won't hang right here. I'm actually going to attach it here on the ring, but I have my little this here to kind of clip it to this and kind of show how it will look But I wanted to show you how the canvas matches. That just looks, it just goes so perfectly. They meld to each other. Let me try to move this back to how I would actually wear it, because this looks kind of weird. This would be good if I wanted to keep my handles together like my keep all. And I wouldn't actually carry this little strap. I would do this like this and attach this. I'm going to attach it here, but I would attach it on this ring right here. I would put this ring inside of here, but I'm just going to clip it here for now. Like so. And then I can just clip this on the bag here. And I keep doing it backwards. Okay, let's fix that. Okay. Can you see that? Let's move my head so it can stop trying to focus. You can see how the patina looks really good with that. But the other reason why I wanted to get this one with this specific year is because I have my keep all here. This is my keep all 55. I love to travel with this bag. And usually when I travel with this bag, I have to put like my toiletry bags in here with my clothes and my shoes. And it can get a bit heavy. And I don't like putting my toiletries in here, so I'm always carrying a second bag, which is why I was using my Alma PM as like another bag. And I thought about even using my Speedy 25 because it is a fairly nice size bag, and it will fit my toiletry, my Truce 23, and even this one, the 18 size. But I didn't want to worry about that zipper trying to get in and out, so I wanted to get this to be a travel set for this. So you can kind of see how that patina kind of matches a little bit. All right. All right, you guys, so this is my Deauville tote that I picked up from Fashionphile. I'm so excited to finally have this piece in my collection. If you all have any questions about this piece or anything in this video, definitely comment, subscribe, and like this video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Alrighty, bye.